Alright, first you go to your internet browser. Mine is Mozilla Firefox. Then you would search Audiosity. Audiosity is a great program. Audiosity is for recording your sound files. You go to the third one down. Sorry, wrong website. You go to the first one up. It's free sound editor and recorder. Okay, you go down, and if you have Windows, you click the Windows. If you have Vista, you have whatever, new Audiosity. I don't know what it is. Stuff like that. It's a very good program. I'm using it for this, recording this, and it's very good. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please subscribe. This is SamJim89.